Funny, you know.
It's Home World Rugs Progressive Rug Sale. Save up to $500 on our best sale prices on every rug. Every size, every shape, every color. Save up to 50%. World Rugs Progressive Rug Sale. The medicine in children's Advil is the #1 pediatrician recommended pain reliever for children. Plus, children's Advil brings fever down faster than children's Tylenol. Choose children's Advil. Relief you can trust.
Hi, humans. My name's Mavis Dracula, and now you can take home my movie, Hotel Transylvania. And only at Target, it comes with a collectible package featuring me. And get the exclusive bonus disc with an all-new game. Bye, everyone.
On Blu-ray Combo Pack, January 29th.
Hey, Mike. Where do you sit?
Oh, just diagramming this accident.
Ready?
Form pocket agent out. You can also get a quote and pay your premium with this thing.
I thought Big Farm didn't have all this app.
Where'd you hear that?
The internet.
And you believed it?
Yeah. They can't put anything on the internet that isn't true.
Where'd you hear that?
The internet. Oh, look. Here comes my date. I met him on the internet. He's the first model.
Bonjour. State Farm. More mobile than ever. Get to a better state.
Come back.
This is available. Too good to be true. This is too good to be true.
Dan Oikos non-fat yogurt, delicious shit, huh?
Sounds too good to be true.
There are things that are too good to be true. Such as Dan Oikos, thick, creamy, with 0% fat and twice the protein of regular low-fat yogurt.
You missed that one.
Dan Oikos Greek non-fat yogurt, too delicious to be so nutritious.
Discover Card, Cashback Concierge here. Cashback Concierge? We have a concierge! I know, it's exciting. Wow! What exactly is a Cashback Concierge?
Well, there's lots of ways to get cash back. I'm here to help you get the most bang for your buck.
It's a personalized thing from Discover. It's Andy, we won't try to sell you anything, and it's free. Free? I want that.
Yeah, you do.
This guy is great. I